Alright, here's Elder T at National Geographic right now. Right now we got a huge red-tailed hawk right there. We just caught a gardener snake. It's moving.
You think if
He's gonna take it. Look, but we're too close. He don't want to come by us because she's scared.
you post
Here, hold this. Hold this.
You're gonna post it?
Yeah.
Pat him.
What's that? What's that, Zai? Zai, what's that? Look.
Oh, what are we picking you up? No. Just get him. Ew. And then you're gonna show him. I don't think you're. Ew, don't show. Why do you throw the snake?
Look, watch out, guys.
Oh, there's tiny birds. Yeah.
The hawk's gonna eat it.
The
Watch out, guys.
How the hawk you?
He wants some dinner. Look. Come on, get back, guys. If we get back, it's gonna come down and eat it. Watch. Eat it up in one gulp. You can't resist it. Watch. It's gonna come down.
It looks like there's a big black egg up there.
Saya, you gotta get back. Scaring the hawk.
It's not coming.
On the ground, there's the snake. There's the hawk up there.
I don't see it. I don't think it's gonna come down.
It will. It won't come down because we're right here.
Zoom into it. Hide. How do you get on there? Hide behind the tree.
Okay, let's hide behind there. It's watching it. Look at that. They say it got his eyes on like a hawk.
I think there's watermelon growing in there. Wait, there was a bug on it.
What should we do with it, guys?
Just take it. Oh, eat it. Take it or come on it. We should just take the snake. Here. Right here. You can see it.
Okay, let's go back there.
You can't see me right here.
Can't see it right here.
Now look here.
Let's see.
The grandpa is.
There he goes. He told you.
Oh my god.
Look.
Oh my god.
National Geographic. Look at that, guys. He took him to the face.
Did he
Told
eat it?
you.
Did he eat it?
The hawk got him. Beautiful. Look at that.
Look
You
at
see this
it.
every day, guys. Stay still, guys. Let's see if he eats. He's fed nature.
He ate the snake. He didn't.
He said, thank you.
He's trying to
Zai,
pick it
get
up.
back. You're scaring her.
Oh, he's still alive. That snake's still alive.
He's eating it and look. It's dead
For
now.
his own self. We should just scare it away.
No, we shouldn't. I want to see it eat it.
No, let's just
Zai,
keep
stop.
it.
I want to see it eat. Be quiet. And next time you gotta... Oh, look at that. Ripping into him.
It's eating the snake.
Ripping into his guts. It's over. Look. Stop, Zai. Don't move.
He's dead.
God, don't move. Tell her you know.
Andy, right here. Stay there. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Stay back, Riel.
Stay back. Nope.
I'm missing that. Look at that to the face. Look.
Oh my goodness. You saw that? Oh my god.
To the face.
I just scare it away.
No, I want to see it. You want some more yum yum?
Can you scare it?
No, it'll bite you. Get back
No,
from
it
it.
won't bite us.
Yes, it will. It's talent.
Let's throw this at him.
No,
Why?
it's a big hawk. Get back, guys. Minnie, get back.
How are we gonna get out of here?
I'm gonna fly off. I'm walking up to it. He's big, guys.
Right up to you as I'm running.
Look, he just took a poop right there after he ate. Look at my grandbabies, there's some chickens out here. Dang, what do you guys think about that?
Isaiah, he was hugging you.
What do you think about it, Zai? What do you think about
That's me.
That's nature.
It's back. No.
And there it is right there.